What's up everybody, this is Ricardo with Parts People, and today we're going to talk about your speakers. So what's going on with yours? Have they stopped working? Are they rattling? Are they buzzing? Well, either way, I'm going to show you how to swap it out.
Parts People tutorials. Upgrade or repair your Dell. Need the part? Find it here.
So the tools I used for this repair is a Phillips #1. If you don't have one and you need one, I'll leave a link for that as well as your Dell replacement parts down below. And if this video was any help, please leave a like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Thank you. First, unscrew and gently pry apart the bottom base cover. Real quick, I just want to mention that I referenced the Dell owner's manual when I perform these repairs. You might have found a way that works better and faster for you. So if you did, tell us how you did it below. Then to avoid electrical damage, disconnect your battery. Now for the left and right fans, you'll just unscrew and disconnect them both the same way. Then loosen the captive screws to the heatsink and lift it out. Now unscrew and remove the bracket and then disconnect the wireless antennas. Now disconnect the motherboard cables using a plastic scribe or your fingertip to unclip them where necessary. Then unscrew and lift out the motherboard. Now disconnect and remove the speakers. Okay, you've gotten this far and you're still having issues. What do? You can always reach out to us for diagnostics, repairs, upgrades, or anything else Dell related. We've specialized in Dell laptops for over 20 years, so if you need anything at all, link is... Now the reinstallation process is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.